Hi there, I'm Trish from TrishNewbery.com, and today I'm going to unpack my new adjustable dress form. So this is a Singer model. There were two to choose from. There was the small and there was the large. So this is the large. Now, saying it's a large, the bust goes to 46 inches, which is 116 centimeters. The waist goes to 37 inches, which is 93 centimeters, and the hip goes to 117 centimeters, which is 46 inches. So by no means is this a plus size dress form. I would consider this a double XS, so a 2 extra small. You could possibly push it to a small. However, the bust is reasonably sized at 46 inches. So what I'm going to do is pad this form out to suit what I want to do. But anyway, this is an unpacking video, so let's just unpack it and see what we've got. So here are some feet. And the hemming attachment. There's a booklet. With adjustment instructions. So I'll read through that later. Okay, so here's our stand. Comes nice and packaged. To put this together, and just put the feet in the slots. Going to work easily. Okay, that's not the easiest to do. Try a different one. That's better. Very similar to a Christmas tree. They're a bit firm, putting them together. Not the easiest, but there we go. Give it a bit of a whack to sit flat. Yeah, that's a bit stiff. It is going to be challenging. I'm going to have to get a hammer or something to make sure that it sits flat. The hemming attachment, I'm not going to put it on, but what you do is before, well, what you can do is this. You take this out. And I believe it goes in this way. Let's just check that. Yep, that looks pretty similar. So what you do with your hem is when you have the right length, you can hold it like this, pop this down, and this will just snap in, and you can pin along to get the correct angle, the correct height, sorry, that you want. So this just adjusts up and down to suit. I'm going to slide that all the way to the bottom. I don't find the hemming attachments much use. And this adjusts the height. You unscrew the top, and then I believe when you get the height you want, you can hold it in place like that. I'll just drop it down for now. Let's pop this on the ground. To get the dress form onto the stand, make sure this is pressed down really firmly. There's a hole in the bottom, and that just slides on top. To set the sizes for the neck, push down and turn to the right. With the dials, you just squeeze and turn, and it's a good idea to just squeeze and turn them slowly. Don't try and set them on their maximum all at once. So what I do is I go around, I turn it in a circle two or three times until everything is at its correct size. There are numbers in centimetres on my dolly showing me what sizes to set this to. The other thing about this model is it has a length adjustment for the waist. It would have been easier if it had a length adjustment that will also tilt, but it doesn't. This is fine. So to adjust that waist length, in here you'll see little notches. Hopefully those notches are a little clearer now. And what you need to do is just twist this, push it to where the correct length is, and twist it back in. It will just slot into place, and you can adjust the length that way. So you twist it to the right, lift it up, and put it back in again. So this is, as I mentioned, the larger of the two Singer dollies. So that is the Singer 151 unpacking and setting up. It is the larger of the two Singer dollies, dressmaking dummies, mannequins, whatever you want to call it. It is by no means what I would call a plus size. I do think they could do a better job and put another model out to cater for curvy sewists. I'm going to pad this up to suit the measurements I want to use on it. I'm just going to buy extra pads and just suit this, put a bra on it and do all those things just to make it the correct size for me. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this unpacking video. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you again soon.